Hey everyone, welcome to Dave's Hack Shack. Today is tutorial number 3 for our laser tank project, and we will be discussing how to use our Arduino to replace the control module that came with our 5.5 watt laser that we have installed on our laser tank. Now the controller board allows you to put it in test mode where you can actually adjust the pulse width modulation signal to the laser to adjust its power level. For our purposes, we're going to be replacing the controller board with our Arduino microprocessor. So as you can see, this is the next picture. I have the laser actually installed on my laser tank. I have the Arduino microcontroller, which is replacing the laser controller. So before I can actually replace the controller board, I needed to know exactly what it was doing. So I created a test scenario where I could monitor the activity of the controller board and then simulate it with my Arduino microcontroller. In order to keep this video short, I created a previous video called Controller Settings. In that video, I actually walked through adjusting the different parameters of the controller board, getting my observations, and then that allowed me to actually create the basis for what I wanted my Arduino controller to do. Those requirements included putting the laser into targeting mode, where I actually could power up the laser on a low power setting and use it for targeting purposes, and then put the laser into firing mode, where I could fire the laser at full power. Once I knew what the controller board did, and what my goals were, I was able to write this Arduino sketch that actually allowed me to simulate the controller board. All the code's available on GitHub. The sketch is straightforward and well documented. Now, one thing about the sketch, it does use an interrupt service routine, and I'm not going to get into the details of that. However, as a basis, the interrupt service routine is being triggered every 50 microseconds, and that should be enough for you to understand how the code works. I'll explain the interrupt service routine in a future tutorial. Since the code's pretty straightforward and well documented, I'll breeze through it fairly quickly. First thing we do is we set up some constants. We define which pin we're using to simulate the laser controller board. We set up some interrupt parameters that are used for timing purposes. Then we set up some variables that were used for interrupt service routine and the laser code itself. And then there's the actual interrupt service routine, and that is actually the heart of the code where we actually can put the laser into firing mode or targeting mode or laser on. And then there's the setup. Obviously, every Arduino controller board needs a setup code where we set up our hardware and we set up our interrupt. And then there's finally the loop code. Now in this example, I'm replacing my web interface with the serial interface. So once again, in order to keep this video short, I did create an additional video called Arduino Simulation. And in that video, we actually walk through changing different parameters using the serial interface to create the pulses and then compare those to the ones being generated by the laser's controller board. It's pretty straightforward, mimics it very well, and that's it. So make sure you catch me on my YouTube channel. There's a bunch of other things coming down the road, as you can see here. It's got some neat fun stuff coming. And once again, thanks for hanging out at the shack.